In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Calendly and ActiveCampaign. To begin, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where you can access account-related settings and connected tools. From the menu that appears, select Apps. This will take you to the app directory, where ActiveCampaign lets you connect with external services like Calendly. When the app directory opens, find the search bar and type in Calendly. This is the fastest way to locate the correct integration, especially if you have many app options displayed on the screen. When Calendly appears in the results, click on it to open the integration page. This page gives you access to the setup options needed to create the connection between both platforms. Next, go to the top right corner of the Calendly integration page and click the Add an Account button. This tells ActiveCampaign that you want to connect a new Calendly account. After that, click Connect to move forward. At this point, ActiveCampaign will begin the authorization process and direct you to the Calendly sign-in flow. Now follow the prompts on the screen to log into your Calendly account. Make sure you are signing into the correct account that you want linked with ActiveCampaign. During this process, Calendly will ask you to grant access. This permission step is important because it allows the two platforms to communicate properly. Once you approve access, the connection can be completed. After access is granted, the integration should link your Calendly account with ActiveCampaign. If you are returned to ActiveCampaign, that usually means the setup was successful. It is a good idea to pause for a moment and confirm that the account appears as connected. This helps you make sure everything went through correctly before moving on to any automation or contact setup you may want to use later. That is the full process for linking Calendly and ActiveCampaign. It is a quick setup, but taking your time with each screen can help avoid connection issues. That covers everything you need to know.